Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for October 2nd, 2024, featuring an annular solar eclipse and nighttime planets. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times in local sources. Each night 4 bright planets are visible, not simultaneously. After sundown, brilliant Venus shines through the colorful layers of evening twilight. At 40 minutes after nightfall, the evening star is over 5 degrees above the west-southwest horizon. It passes Zub in El Janubi, part of Libra, in a few evenings. Use a binocular to see the planet and the star together. Farther eastward, Saturn is over 15 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. It retrogrades in front of a dim Aquarius starfield. During the night, as Earth rotates, Venus sets 74 minutes after nightfall. By 4 hours after sunset, Jupiter is above the east-northeast horizon and Saturn is nearly above the south cardinal direction. Mars rises nearly 2 hours after Jupiter. After midnight, Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars line up along the solar system's plane, known as the ecliptic. Saturn sets 75 minutes before sunup, disappearing into the filtering effects of Earth's atmosphere about 30 minutes earlier. By an hour before sunrise, bright Jupiter is high in the south. Its eastward plod slows as the illusion of retrograde begins on the 9th. It is near Taurus Horns, 6.3 degrees from Elnath, the northern point. Mars, marching eastward in front of Gemini, is nearly 25 degrees from Jupiter and 10.0 degrees from Pollux, one of the twins. Watch Mars approach the star and pass widely on the 19th. After retrograde begins, the planet passes again during January. Mercury sets less than 10 minutes after the Sun. It appears next month. Here is today's sky watching highlight. The new moon phase occurs today at 1:49 p.m. Central Time, beginning lunation 1259, the number of lunar cycles since the count began in 1923. At the new moon phase, an annular or ring eclipse occurs for sky watchers across southern South America, while others across the continent see a partial eclipse. Most of the event occurs over the Pacific Ocean. This eclipse is a near repetition with respect to the annular eclipse that was visible across the U.S. nearly a year ago, although today's eclipse is visible in the southern hemisphere and across a large part of the Pacific Ocean. An annular eclipse occurs when the moon crosses our line of sight with the sun. At the maximum eclipse, a thin ring of light surrounds the moon. The lunar orb appears too small to perfectly match with the sun's size, unlike total solar eclipse when the sun's corona is visible at maximum eclipse. Today, the moon is near apogee, the point farthest in the orbital path from Earth. The moon reaches this distant celestial point today at 2:39 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.